Paris Hilton, the real star. Welcome to the Heart Diaries, the Invincible series. I believe there are more shades to someone's personality than they actually show. People are often too quick to judge. But why? Who gave us the right to judge? You can't really understand what the other person is battling with, whatever went through in their past life. Then why? Why do you judge someone so easily? Even I do at times, I won't lie. But still, I know I shouldn't be judgmental, nor should anyone be. It's just not right. When I watched the Paris Hilton documentary, I was, I don't know, like my heart was a puddle of emotions. My heart literally went out for Hilton. Like how she portrayed herself and who she really is. There is so much of difference between both of them. I could feel how the little star Paris is still hidden in her, the one who lost her childhood to abuse, the one who is still craving to live like a child every single day. She said she's afraid to grow up. I would like to say that to her. She need not even. A part of us do get mature with the burden of responsibilities, with good and bad experiences of life. But she can continue to be who she really is without jeopardizing her perfect image. How hard we try to stay perfect in others' books. So strange, na? I I don't know. Anyway, I really loved how she chose to embrace herself, accepting the flaws as well as starry reflections. Hats off, literally. And undoubtedly, she is a real warrior who chose to grow every single time life knocked her down. We should also learn to focus our energy in building ourselves and then see how nothing would ever be able to stop us. Waking up to nightmares, getting anxious over every small thing, having trust issue, not easy. In fact, forget easy, it's unimaginable. Almost like dying to breathe, dying to live. God, only if I could come and hug you, Paris, and tell you how strong you really are. Sure, you have a huge fandom of little Hiltons everywhere, but if my words ever reach you, then know that you are not alone. Every wave of Zephyr filled the breadths and beats of your hearts when it was impossible to hold on. Yet you grow as the bleeding rose from the painful thorns. Every star of this galaxy witnessed the invincible you. It's time you should really let go of the dark past and move ahead to the real happiness, real you. I'm sure you would cover the journey very well, given the warrior you already are. I truly admire the way you fought back, the way you built your own brand, your own Paris. Someday you would yourself see how the light you are filling in others' lives eventually lights up your dark universe. Stay strong, stay awesome, stay magical, yeah. And yeah, I would also like to point out one thing, and that there's nothing wrong in selfies as long as people remain comfortable in their own skin, confident of their own self. Nobody should get lost in the fake world of glamour or filters. So, yes, you merely showed how to live moments, capturing yourself the way you are. Please free yourself from any sort of guilt. I believe you are a beautiful soul before being any celebrity. So be proud of yourself for coming this far. You are truly an inspiration for many. Now, another thing that I want to say to parents is your children are blooming flowers. Please nurture them with love and care. Try to be more understanding, more supportive. Hug them if they do mistake now. Why do you have to scold them so bad that they won't ever come to you whenever they mistake? Doing mistakes is fine, isn't it? We all made so many mistakes ourselves. So that's okay, I guess. Let them know that it's okay for them also to make mistakes, to learn, to grow, and whatever the case be, you are there. Allow them the freedom to fly. Teach them how failures are nothing but life lessons. Show them with so much love that they could also be proud of you. Just shower so much love on them now that no matter how far they fly, they would always come back to you. Whatever it is, just don't crush them under your feet. They are born to fly, not caged. And if there's any child hearing me today, then hey, sweet bud, please trust and respect your parents. I know you are very strong and intelligent. Soon you would conquer the whole world. But if things go wrong, then just talk it out, okay? Talk to your parents in case there is anything that's bothering you. Please learn about good and bad touch, okay? You are still a baby star who is learning to sparkle the brightest, right? So, have faith on your elders. Don't take any wrong decision in anger or peer pressure. Wait, don't forget your parents, your family, all are there for you. Especially boys, your macho image would remain intact even if you talk to your parents or elder brother and sisters. Come what may, never give up. Never ever give up on yourself and your amazing life. Okay? Thank you for listening me. Undoubtedly, Paris Hilton is the invincible woman. But what about you? Okay, here I'm signing off. Stay blessed and keep smiling always. Much love. Mahima Dua Urf Moni. And with this video, we are embarking on the journey of being the invincible heroes in real life. So